Welcome to Echoes of Nature, a journey into the heart of our planet and a call to action for a sustainable future. In a world filled with the hustle and bustle of city life, it's easy to forget the beauty and importance of the natural world around us. But amidst the towering skyscrapers and concrete jungles, there exists a delicate balance waiting to be rediscovered. In parks, gardens, and green spaces, we find solace and connection with the earth that sustains us. It's in these moments, surrounded by the echoes of nature, that we realize our responsibility to protect and preserve the environment for generations to come. From recycling initiatives to renewable energy sources, communities around the world are coming together to safeguard our planet's future. But the journey doesn't end there. It begins with each and every one of us. Together, we can make a difference by embracing nature, reducing our carbon footprint, and supporting local conservation efforts. We can ensure a brighter tomorrow for all living beings. Let's listen to the echoes of nature and answer the call to protect our planet. The time to act is now. Echoes of nature, because the earth is our home and it's up to us to care for it.